You know a city is evolving when global luxury brands begin to collaborate with it. Noida is in that moment. With big names like Jacob & Co and Elie Saab coming along with M3M into Noida, you know Noida is no longer any real estate destination. It is an evolving technical and lifestyle hub. Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Equity Planners and wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. In today's episode, we are going to talk about a very important question जो हर कोई investor और end user पूछता है, that what is the hype around Noida and is it true that Noida is the next Silicon Valley of India? Now in this video, we are going to break up everything with real statistics, actual projects and practically everything that is changing the ground reality of Noida's real estate. So let's get started. बहुत लोग सोचते हैं कि नोएडा की ग्रोथ सिर्फ एक हाइप है, but this is not true. It is backed by actual numbers and visible changes. अगर पिछले 5 सालों की बात करी जाए तो नोएडा में जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है it has grown by 470% and this is largely because of IT companies and growing both commercial and residential real estate investment. तो practically in layman language इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर आप ड्राइव करेंगे through sector 62, sector 63, नोएडा ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे, then you will see a lot of IT parks like we have the Stellar IT Park, we have the Logix Cyber Park, the Technopolis IT Hub, the Unitech ecosystems and यहाँ पे they are all supporting companies like Barclays, TCS, IBM, Samsung and the like. Noida also houses one of India's largest AI and data-centric spaces where I'm talking about SIFI's Noida 1 and Noida 2, which powers a lot of cloud services and provides cloud services for leading enterprises of the country. Corporate campuses like Corentham Towers, Candor Tech Space and ITHM. These are all new hotspots for office leasing. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है that this shows there is a strong demand for both tech as well as service firm. फिर ये demand important कैसे है? ये इसीलिए important है क्योंकि जब बड़ी कंपनीज मूव इन करती हैं उनके साथ उनके सीनियर प्रोफेशनल्स भी मूव इन करते हैं and that raises the demand for gated communities, better projects, lifestyle driven projects and not just your basic housing. बात करते हैं कि जो ये डिमांड है ये कैसे ट्रांसलेट होती है प्रॉपर्टी प्राइसेस में. अगर नोएडा ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे की बात करें तो जो 2 BHK के प्राइसेस हैं वो पिछले 5 सालों में दे हैव शोन अ प्राइस राइज ऑफ 64%. इसका मतलब है कि 2019 में जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ के रेट्स थे करीबन 5,500 से 6,000 पर स्क्वायर फीट वो 2025 में 10,000 पर स्क्वायर फीट तक जा चुके थे. ऑल्सो फॉर 3 BHK द प्राइस राइज रहा है 67% एंड इवन मोर देन दैट. प्रैक्टिकली एग्जाम्पल लूँ 150 सेक्टर का, सेक्टर 150 जो आजकल काफ़ी अप एंड बजिंग है. पहले 150 वॉज वेरी फेमस फॉर इट्स ओपन लैंड एंड अर्ली स्टेज डेवलपमेंट. Today, 150 is known for as the greenest sector. It is known for premium societies और यहाँ की अगर रेटों की बात करी जाए तो the per square feet has reached 13 to 14,000 rupees per square feet. अब स्टैटिस्टिक्स तो काफ़ी पावरफुल हैं बट बिल्डर बिहेवियर जो है वो एक स्ट्रॉन्गर सिग्नल देता है. लग्जरी डेवलपर्स कभी भी मार्केट में एंटर नहीं करते जब तक उनको ये 3 चीज़ें नहीं दिखती हैं. एक स्ट्रॉन्ग एग्जिस्टिंग बायर सेंटिमेंट हो मार्केट में, टिकट प्राइसेस जो कि सस्टेनेबल हो एंड लॉन्ग टर्म मार्केट demand visible ho. This is the reason why we are seeing global brand icons like M3M and Jacob & Co residences जो कि international branded residences नोएडा में ला रहे हैं. Smart World in coordination with Elie Saab which is very famous for its global luxury brand value and we're also looking at hospitality groups like the Taj Group जो अपना नोएडा में footprint बढ़ा रहे हैं. तो नोएडा ही क्यों? Because जो आज का नोएडा का buyer है he is either working in a senior tech role, corporate role, is an HNI from business enterprises, has the ideas and preferences for global standards of living, wants space, privacy, greenery and elevated luxury living, not just congested city life living. These launches are not just experiments. They are confidence and data-driven decisions made by both global as well as national luxury powerhouses. Noida की growth story incomplete है if we don't talk about its infrastructure, especially because infrastructure is the sole reason for driving sustainable long-term economic growth. जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं, नोएडा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट इज़ अ मेजर कैटलिस्ट. ग्लोबली एंड एम्पेरिकली देखा जाए तो एयरपोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी ऑलवेज इज़ एन इंजन फॉर ड्राइविंग हायर इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. जो भी सिटीज़ में एयर कनेक्टिविटी रही है वहाँ पे आप देखेंगे हमेशा देयर इज़ फास्टर बिजनेस एक्सपेंशन, हायर फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड देयर इज़ अ हायर डिमांड फॉर प्रीमियम बोथ कमर्शियल एज वेल एज रेजिडेंशियल रियल एस्टेट. जेवर एयरपोर्ट इज़ ओनली अ न्यू एंड one part of the infrastructure. Noida already benefits from exceptional road connectivity. आप देखिए नोएडा ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे, यमुना एक्सप्रेसवे, दिल्ली मेरठ एक्सप्रेसवे, डायरेक्ट access to NH24, they all seamlessly connect Noida to Delhi, Gurgaon, Ghaziabad and even Agra. Metro expansion is another critical factor. नोएडा already has a very extensive metro network connectivity जो directly connect करते हैं residential sectors को to business hubs both in Delhi as well as in Noida itself. As we are speaking, there are already new lines being established and expanded as per the new master plan. तो ये जो convenience है ना, this is very very important and this drives a very high demand for end user demand of products as well as rental sustainability. Commercial and mixed use hubs along the expressways also drive the ecosystem. Large corporate offices, IT parks, retail centers, big hospitality centers all along the corridor and the expressways, they are responsible for creating long-term self-sustaining business districts. कोई isolated residential pocket नहीं. ये वही pattern है that we have seen in Bangalore, in Hyderabad. Even in global tech hubs, you will always see that the infrastructure comes in, business follows and lifestyle development completes the cycle. This is the phase that Noida is in. So if you connect all the dots, there is increased tech and corporate expansion, infrastructure-led growth, there is entry of global luxury brands, real estate appreciation. All these things tell you just one thing. Noida is no longer a real estate destination. It is an emerging tech-driven lifestyle city and it is here to stay. If you need any help in understanding that where real value lies in Noida, do subscribe to our channel of Equity Planners and stay connected with us. If you want to invest or upgrade your lifestyle, Equity Planners is here to help you with utmost clarity, confidence and transparency. Do call on the number below.